welcome to my channel. My name is Kim C. If you are first time coming to Tiny Creature Hub, please click the subscribe button so that you don't miss anything. Today's topic is about this magic sponge. And you all know that I do a lot of reviews on Daiso items, so I always come across Daiso with this kind of sponge, magic sponge. They got big one, small one, large one, long one, so many. Then every time got restock one. I don't know why. So many people buy this type of sponge, man. This type of sponge good to use. This one is 4 for 1 packet. Bigger one. This one also 4 for 1 packet. Bigger one. This is how many? I cannot see. I think 15 or 16 for 1 packet. This is the long one, 36.8 cm one. You can cut it. And this is the wider one, 29 cm. Oh, so many pattern. This one. 4 for 1 packet. And here is the also here. All is here lah. My friend also also keep telling me that you must buy this sponge, you must buy this magic sponge. But I felt that $2 to buy sponge a bit expensive leh. So I bought one and try it out. And I got this 30 pieces, the small square one, and to try out see whether this sponge is better than this normal sponge. What can this sponge do than this normal one? And this magic sponge they also call it what? Melamine sponge. Melamine sponge. I don't know pronounce correct, but it's a sponge that only you need water. You cannot use detergent. Just use water. You spray on it, and you can rub on it. They say if you spray on the item that you want to clean, it's like a sandpaper like that lah. I try it, and my finger, I think they rub until smooth already. So I think if you want to use this, better wear glove lah. Oh, so first I will try it on my teaspoon. You can see that my teaspoon a lot of tea and coffee stain. This is the normal sponge. I try to rub it, but it a bit come off, but it don't come off all. Now I will try the magic sponge. You spray some water and you clean it. Oh, coming out. Oh yo, wow, a while only the stain all come out leh. Wow, really magic this one. Wow, now my spoon so silver, like totally brand new loh. Good very good this one. Next, I will try it on my dirty shoe. This shoe very long already I think 1 year Sketcher. They say can clean shoe but this is the normal sponge. Cannot come out the dirty. So I will try it on the magic sponge. Rub a bit, but every time I rub smaller piece will drop off. It become smaller and smaller piece but the stain will come out You can see a bit whiter already my shoe, so no problem to clean shoe, but you become smaller piece Next, I will try it on my motorcycle helmet, because this one been using for 10 years. Never change. Inside very smelly, but outside look clean is okay So this is the normal sponge, cannot clean anything. Now I use this magic sponge. Wow, put some water. Wow, 松重出来all the scratch mark 无去you see. Oh yo, like brand new really like brand new. You no need to buy helmet, even inside smelly but outside look okay people thought it's new one can already. Now packaging is more important than quality. Oh, you see, all the scratch mark all come out. Wow, really, this one magic, really magic sponge ah. Wow, I also cannot believe. Now I must believe. You see, now like new helmet like that lor. Very new ah. Next, my toilet floor lah, always look dirty one. So I clean this one with the normal sponge first. Nothing happened. Still so dirty. So next is the magic sponge lor. But this one magic sponge the too small lah. But only try only lah. If you want to clean floor, buy the bigger one lah. Oh, yeah, it can come out a bit lah. I think this one I use bleach it's better lah for the small holes there. But for the tiles yeah, it do come out lah. Can see the difference. My toilet lighting no good lah, but it really can come out lah, the dirty. This is the tiles at the toilet wall. A lot of those stain the soap and detergent stain. I use a normal sponge, it cannot come out. Now try the magic sponge Wow, this one really magic leh. But my piece too small lah. I need to buy bigger piece. Really all come out leh, like brand new your bricks your tiles all like brand new. See the difference? Yeah. Really, this one really can come out. But you need to buy bigger pieces This is the shower tap lah, but always not very chrome leh. So I use normal one cannot come out leh. Now I try the magic one. Magic you use a bit water, wow, like brand new leh. It really become chrome leh. This one is the old piece of magic sponge I think I need to use a new one it will be better lah. Just spray some water and clean it. After I clean with the magic sponge, the tap really like new one. Now I try on my dirty this cutting board. It's dirty long ago lah. Everything come out leh. Wow, like everything you also can scrub lah with magic sponge. You can hear the sound. It's like a rubber like that lor. So you can use in all type of material. You can try lah. After you see so many example of what I used to clean, wow, this is a good sponge, but it's very fragile lor. If I clean it becomes smaller piece and smaller piece and smaller piece, all drop until like become nothing already. So it's very fragile lor, not very strong, but it can really clean the stains that you want So this kind of sponge you only can use once lah. You rub until the piece all drop off become no more so you must buy new one but it's a good sponge lah. $2 to me a bit expensive to buy sponge lah, but if you want to really want to get the stain out, you buy this one lah. Hope my video of this sponge you get an idea of what you can do with this sponge. You clean whether your towels or your spoon or your cups or your helmet, shoes, whatever lah, but don't go and scrub your motorbike or your cars with your paint spoil, not my problem So hope you come back again, and please, if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.